Hello there, my name is Colin from Force Dump Trailers, and over the past couple months we have been listening to the feedback from our customer base and implementing those changes into our finished product. I'm excited to give you a brief overview of our Force Dump Trailer building process. The first step in our building process starts in our weld and fabrication shop. Here is where we weld together the bed and the frame. Once that step is complete, we ship it off to Lippert for the e-coat process.
Hi, I'm George Lovell. I'm the product manager for coatings for Lippert Plant 72 in Elkhart, Indiana. The advantages of using e-coat on a dump bed trailer is because of the complexity of the shapes that are on the trailer. So typically with a dump trailer, we're going to run that through our 8-stage pre-treatment system before we put that into our cathodic acrylic e-coat tank to apply the acrylic paint to the surface. The cathodic acrylic e-coat system has an 8-stage pre-treatment system that includes 2 cleaning stages, a rinse stage, a zinc phosphate stage, a chrome seal stage, and an RO water rinse before it goes into the cathodic acrylic e-coat tank. From there it goes into a bake oven. In the bake oven we'll see temperatures running around 370 degrees for about 70 minutes. E-coat typically is going to give you, with a cathodic acrylic, 5 to 7 years of good exterior durability with high performance for corrosion protection. However, over time it will rust if the dump bed is not properly cleaned after its uses.
Once the trailer is finished with the e-coat process at Lippert, it is then shipped to us where we will start the final assembly. In the final steps of the build process, this is where the axles, lift, wiring, and vinyl decals are installed. Once the final process is complete, we then ship our trailers out to our dealer network. Thanks for watching. Please visit forcetrailers.com for more information.